First of all, let's learn Jnana Mudra. Touch the tip of the forefinger to that of the thumb, keeping the other 3 fingers straight. Benefits: very beneficial in various mental illness such as insomnia or excessive sleep, poor memory, bad temper, etc. It helps in concentration of mind in japa and meditation and in devotional activities. Prana Mudra. Touch the tip of thumb to that of the little finger and ring finger together, keeping the other 2 fingers straight. This is Prana Mudra. Benefits: this is the power station of Prana Shakti or vital energy. It keeps the body healthy, helps cure eye problems and improves eyesight. Linga Mudra. Hold both of your hands together by clutching the fingers crossed to each other with the thumbs straight above. This is Linga Mudra. Benefits: increases the body heat. If you are suffering from cough and cold, this mudra is especially beneficial to you. Shunya Mudra. Bend the middle finger to touch the base of thumb and gently apply pressure with the thumb. Keep the other fingers straight. Benefits: provides relief in earache. In case of pus formation in the ear or deafness, do it for 4 to 5 minutes. Vayu Mudra. Bend the index finger to the base of thumb and press gently with thumb. Keep the remaining fingers straight. This is Vayu Mudra. Benefits: relieves joint pain, paralysis, hysteria, etc. Surya Mudra. Touch the tip of ring finger to the base of the thumb and press gently with thumb. Keep the remaining fingers straight. Benefits: helps in controlling extra fat deposition and in weight reduction. Apan Vayu Mudra. Touch the tip of index finger to the base of thumb and bring the tip of middle and ring finger in contact with the upper part of thumb while little finger remaining straight. Benefits: this mudra is very beneficial for heart patients. It provides quick relief in stroke, arrhythmias, heart blockage, arterial flutter and fibrillating, etc. At the time of heart attack or chest pain, doing this mudra can prevent the heart attack. Gas troubles, heartburns are also relieved. Practice daily for 20 to 30 minutes as per your requirement. These were few helpful mudras.